Hey guys, welcome to my channel Techo. My name is Salman Francis, and today we are going to take a look at question number 14 of our Red Hat Certified Engineering sample questions. So let's start and take a look what we have today. So in question number 14, we need to create a playbook issue.yaml in our home directory or working directory with the following conditions. The playbook runs on all the hosts. The playbook will replace the content of etc issue file with single line of text. For example, for the member of dev group, it would read development. For the member of prod group, it would read production. For the member of balancers group, it would read balancer. So let's start our solution. First, I would like to show you the content of our inventory file. Cat. Okay, first I need to go to my users working directory and it's Ansible. And now I will cat my inventory. And guys, one thing I would like to mention here is that basically I record my videos without any scripts. So of course there are a lot of errors and the content. I don't want to delete the content so you can always view and learn from my mistakes. So that's why sometimes the videos are longer. Just wanted to share this. So here's our inventory. We can see that node 1 is member of our dev group, node 2 is member of prod, and the balancer has a member test node. All right, so let's start writing our playbook. I will call it issues.yml. You can call it anything. We'll start with the name. You can call it replacing etc issues file or etc issue file of notes. You can call it anything. And I want to become, and it's the hosts, we need to run it on all hosts. Become is true. And then the tasks. So our first task is going to be changing the content of dev group. And for this, we will use the copy module. And here in the copy module, we will use content. It's a sub module, you can say, for the copy module. And by the way, in the content, you can directly give the text. So you don't have to give a file directly here. You can type anything and it will be copied to the destination. So we need, in the dev group, we need development, and the destination is going to be etc issue. All right, but there's a reason. There's a condition that when it should basically do this. When dev in, need to mention it like this, dev in group underscore names. So this will fulfill the condition that it will only change the content to development when dev is in the group name. All right, now next task is changing the content of prod group. Same thing, same module, copy, content, production, condition is same. when prod in group underscore names. And then final task is changing the content of balancers group, copy content balancers or balancer, whatever you want to say. And when it's going to be balancers in group underscore names. And that's it. So before I run the playbook, I would like to show you what do we have in our issue file. So let's go to our node 1, cat etc issue. And you can see it says kernel $kernel /r. And in our node 2, we have / same thing. So now let's run our playbook. And to do that, we will use Ansible playbook, my inventory, and issues.yaml. We can first use the dry run to check if everything is okay. Yes, seems everything is okay. A destination is required. Okay, let's check my inventory. Its balancers is correct. Prod is with small p. Dev. Okay. And I forgot to mention the destination here. Let's copy it, paste it. So it's the issue. Right. Balancers and prod. Okay, now I hope it's fixed. Let's run it again. Okay, perfect. Now let's try it without the dry run. All right, so our playbook ran successfully. Now if we cat the content of our node 2, you can see it's reading production. Perfect. And for our node 1, it's reading development, a single text. And for our balancers, and you know what, we can use an ad hoc command to check everything from here. And it's very simple, by the way, to run our ad hoc command. And to do that, we will use Ansible. And let's say if we want to check for our test node, we can use balancers group, and the argument I want to, or attribute I want, is etc issue. And you can see that the node is test and the group is balancer, or the text is balancer, or you can use Ansible all to check for all the nodes. And here we can see that it's node 2 is giving production, Node 1 is giving development and balancer. So I hope, guys, this has been informative. And so we have solved our question number 14 today. And in a couple of days, we will solve our question number 15 to 20. So hope to see you in next video. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. See you in next video. Until then, goodbye.